Hello everyone, myself Pragati. In this session, we will discuss about search engine marketing. SEM means search engine marketing is a digital marketing strategy used to increase the visibility of a website in search engine result pages. Search engine marketing is also alternately referred to as paid search or pay-per-click. Let's see the contents of this session. First, we will see introduction to paid marketing. Second is Google Ads. Third is account and billing setting, and last is types of campaigns. So let's start with today's session. Paid marketing. Paid marketing, also known as digital advertising, refers to any strategy in which a brand targets potential customer based on their interest, intent, or previous interaction with the brand. Today, it is highly likely that new customer will first encounter your brand online. In fact, 87% of retail shoppers begin their searches on digital channel regardless of whether they ultimately make a purchase online or in a brick and mortar store. Meanwhile, research from Google indicates that 67% of B2B purchases are influenced by digital content and advertisement. Without a digital presence, your potential customer may never find your brand. Paid marketing can benefit your growth strategy by building brand awareness, encouraging customer engagement, allowing you to target specific audience segment, giving you the ability to measure and optimize your campaigns. Compared with organic marketing, paid marketing offers faster result and more granular targeting capabilities. For example, you can target a blog to a specific audience through a keyword strategy, but you may still reach people who are not interested in your offering. Meanwhile, paid strategy empower you to target your messages based on user signals like search queries and previous interaction with your brand. Types of paid marketing. There are four basic forms of paid marketing, each with its own benefit. First is paid search marketing. It is also known as search engine marketing. This strategy serves the text and image ad to user searching on platforms like Google and Bing. Second is paid social media marketing. The strategy allows brand to target social media user with ads based on their interest and interaction. Third one is display marketing. Similar to SEM, display network serves ad to site visitors. Retargeting technology can hyper target users based on their browsing history. And fourth is influencer marketing. B2B and B2C marketers can work with influencer, people with large social following, to strategically promote their offering in a more personal manner. Each type of paid marketing strategy serves a unique purpose at various stages of the buyer's journey. Not every brand uses every form of paid marketing, but it's considered a best practice to use more than one type. Doing so ensures user in a various channels see your messages. Google Ads. Google Ads is a online advertising platform developed by Google where advertisers bid to display brief advertisement, service offerings, product listing or videos to web user. It can place ad both in the result of search engine like Google search and non-search websites, mobile apps and videos. Services are offered under a pay-per-click pricing model. Google Ads is a Google online advertising program. The program allows you to create online ads to reach audience that are interested in the product and services you offer. The Google Ads platform runs on pay-per-click advertising. That is, you have to pay every time a visitor clicks your ad. If you want to reach new customer online, then advertising with Google Ads might be right for you. When you advertise with Google Ads, you are investing in your business. Below is an example of Google search engine result page. There are two sections of paid Google Ads, one above the natural or organic links and one at the bottom of the result page. The sponsored result or ads are denoted with a green ad label. The results that appear below the ads are referred to as organic result. Google Ads works on occasion system which take place every time a user performs a keyword search. To win the Google Ads occasion and see your Google advertisement appear for relevant keywords, you will need to optimize your quality score and bid amount. The higher your quality score in conjunction with your bid amount, the better your ad positioning. The following factors are affected your quality score. The relevance of your Google ad to the search query. The relevance of the Google keyword to your ad group. The relevance of your ad to its landing page. The historical click-through rate of the ad and its ad group overall historical account performance. Accounts and billing setting. How to create Google account? Let's see. In order to sign up to advertise on Google Ads, you will need to create Google account. Then simply head over to ads.googles.com and sign in. Once sign in, you will prompted with the question, what is your main advertising goal? For the sake of this article and setting up a Google Ads account, select switch to expert mode at the bottom. From that point, you will prompted to create campaign. You certainly can create campaign, however, I recommended skipping that step until you are familiar with the interface. Next, you will prompted to confirm your business information. It is important that is information is corrected because you cannot change this is in the future. From that point, you can explore your new account. Edit existing billing information. Let's see the steps. First, signing to campaign manager. After that, click the correct account name. Click the account name in the top right corner of the page and select billing center from the drop down. After that, click manage credit card next to your payment method on the billing center page. Click edit and enter your new billing information and click to change. Types of campaigns. Google Ads begins with a goal and a campaign. You will choose a campaign type based on your marketing goals, brand strategy, and how much time you are able to invest. First is search campaign. Search campaign let you reach people while they are searching on Google for the product and services you offer. It is great for driving sales, leads or traffic to your website as you can show your ads to customer actively searching for your product and services. Second is display campaign or image ads on website. Display campaigns let you reach people with visually engaging ads as they browse across millions of websites and apps. Display is a great way to expand the reach of your search campaign to other parts of the web. Display also allows you to follow up with remarketing ads to new and existing customers. Third is video campaign. Video campaign let you show video ads on YouTube and other websites. Some video campaign types can help you boost general awareness of your brand. Others are designed to drive conversation or get people to shop your website. Fourth is shopping campaign. Shopping campaign are ideal if you are a retailer looking to sell your product inventory. Shopping ads appear on search result and the Google Shopping tab. Store owners can also use local inventory ads to promote product available at your physical location. And last is app campaigns. App campaigns help you to find new app user and increase sales within your app. This campaign type uses information from your app to automatically optimize ads across search, play, YouTube, discover and over 3 million sites and apps. This is all about search engine marketing and types of campaigns. Thank you for watching this video.